My dog's birthday. He went from PCH to the bowling alley. That's where to go. He talking about he knew about it.
I thought I was going to the house.
Baby got something planned, but I don't know what it is. But I know when I get to the house.
I said we going to my house.
I can beat all these niggas, boo boo. Let them know.
Yeah, you right. You looking for a cosign? These dreams. You looking for a cosign?
Alright.
Let's start going. Ready? Let's start going.
That motherfucker.
We're gonna burn the spot, bro.
Harder.
Hey,
Tell him to stop.
get your boy, bro. Tell him to stop.
That motherfucker works. Birthday. Hell no, he ain't go home. I gotta block in on purpose.
Yeah, but
We done went from PCH to the bowling alley.
You gotta check in.
Oh, so it's cool when everybody
So what
else.
you got a surprise? You got a surprise party, right?
leave, brother.
It ain't a surprise.
I told you.
It ain't a surprise.
I knew about this shit yesterday.
He said I knew about it.
didn't know.
He couldn't even tell us where to go. He talking about he knew
I
about
thought
it.
I was going to the house.
Baby got something planned, but I don't know what it is. But I know when I get to the
I
house.
said we going to my house.
That was it. We at your house.
Y'all didn't make
This
it.
your house.
Y'all want to go the other way.
Come on, man. So look,
It could be.
what we doing? You about to get whooped on?
Man, you know I
What's
don't.
up?
I'm looking at the scoreboard. I'm looking at the scoreboard.
I'ma always win more than I lose, nigga.
You got that from me.
Yeah.
He said, hey, I taught you that.
I taught you a lot of shit. I taught you
All right,
a lot
look.
of shit from cars to handlebars. You learned a lot.
I gotta get on the board, man. I'm trying to get on. All right, DJ, you 34. Damn, you getting whooped on, bro.
I'm that thing like the baby bowl 4 5
Oh, look,
times.
Pops on that ass. He on you.
Man, he old. He ain't got no cut. I let the baby bowl.
Yeah, man. He telling the baby bowl.
Look, we got everybody rolling and we're just doing whatever.
Yeah, man,
Ain't no
I see.
structure around here.
He said ain't no structure.
Ain't no structure around here.
Man, we done went everywhere. And we out here bowling. They got the whole lane. It's my dog's birthday though, man.
Like,
Tell him again.
Wait, tell him
Tell him
about.
again.
Look,
Tell him
I keep putting
again.
the camera out.
Tell him again.
dreams.
Tell him.
I can beat all these niggas, boo boo. Let them know.
Yeah, you right. You looking for a cosign? These dreams. You looking for a cosign?
I'm not looking for nothing. This motherfucker
The homie
right
here.
Look, it's cramped up.
The homie here.
Cramped up already.
We got arthritis, huh? We got arthritis, huh?
Water.
Nigga been drinking fucking straight rubbing alcohol. Hey,
You good.
hey, he right here right now.
Hey, listen, my nigga.
Who?
What you drinking, man? Come on, let's go take a shot.
If you willing to listen to a nigga tell you something, he gonna tell you whatever you
All you do is lie anyway. We all know.
Me or him?
For real, man. This bike was around before I was born.
Man, my guy done pulled back up. He went and swapperoo. Switcheroo. Hey, this is nice though, man. I seen some choppers today, but it wasn't like this. That's good. That's crazy. Got this thing.
17 years back, you still did the album.
Yeah, that's crazy.
You still ain't fucking slow. You still ain't beating.
This shit hard.
You shouldn't even be in and out, bro. You shouldn't even be in and out. I knocked you
What
off
up,
the
man?
stun bike,
You ain't
nigga.
never knocked me off. You can't fuck
You gonna lie like that on the camera? You gonna lie like that on the camera, bro? You gonna lie like that on the camera?
You can't fuck with
You gonna say I didn't beat you?
Never.
Oh, niggas lying on
Never.
the camera. Boy, that camera. You know what that camera do, boy.
We have phone call.
He said real footage.
Phone call proof. Video proof.
Hey, they wild.
No, you didn't. You my son.
I like this.
You better stop this. I'll call right now.
We about to get it live up close. sir. All you need is a full tank of gas, brother love. That's what I was trying to hear earlier. That motherfucker is loud.
That motherfucker works.
That's crazy. That's crazy. That motherfucker is loud. Especially with that ball now. Yeah, man, he looking good. That motherfucker sneezing, bro. That's it. That's all you need right there. So where are we going? District. Nice. TikTok moment, boy, ready? TikTok moment. That's it, bro. That's all you need is some music. That motherfucker sounds good. We sliding, man. We sliding. That motherfucker worked. That motherfucker. We're gonna burn the spot, bro. Harder. Hey, tell him to stop.
Get your boy, bro. Hey, I'm gonna stop.
Oh, shit. That motherfucker works. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you, Darnell. Hey, to you.
I want to say happy birthday.
I'm dying. Y'all supposed to put his head in the cake. Said I ain't doing it. Go back some more. We at what? Location number 5? We slide. Our boy on that chopper, getting it in. That's crazy. We been sliding.
Really wasn't my fault. Driver was just a pussy and I ain't know he was soft. I thought it hit the licky and shooting the wood. I ain't snitching. I'm by myself down the road. Niggas left me for dead and won't even answer the phone. Can't wait till I touch down and I get my hands on the pole. These niggas on my list and they dying when I come home. I don't know how I feel when you wake up and you a bitch, but I know how I feel when you wake up rich. Nigga, when I slip, I hope you don't think you slick. Only reason you still breathing is money made me forget. My cases back and that's why I didn't know how to act. I be tweaking on the drugs, I be tripping when I'm off act. Really gangsta with his gun, but in court he turned to a rat. Pussy scared to go to.
Yeah, that motherfucker hard, man. Yeah, look, how many batteries you got? Look, how many batteries you got? Oh, I'm fucking dying. Hey, he said, how many batteries you got? Hey, so
Take it.
yeah, teach me something new. Y'all throwing money like that, man? God damn, man. Come on, man. Hey. Hey, so look.
So we got a 10-piece with a pistol in the front.
10-piece with a pistol in the front. Come on, man. Let me hit one switch. Come show me something.
Do the hose though in the front. I need a hose gun.
Oh,
Look,
he said this shit cost we was talking about it earlier.
Let all the pressure out of it.
Yeah, I fucking.
These niggas, man.
It blew my front hose.
Yeah. That's why when you leave that motherfucker up, it got all the pressure in that motherfucker.
I'm gonna take it the one way tomorrow. So kiss my hose.
That motherfucker look good though, bro.
Appreciate
God,
it.
you don't even know. I can't wait to give me one. Right.
Having drunk fun. He trying to fill it in.
Right up in the air. Boy, I'm so tired. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. We had a great day though. We ain't done yet. We at the 6th location. Yeah, man. We out here sliding. They got us some like race guys. This is my last stop, and then we in our house. Get some good sleep. Edit this video. Y'all gonna love it. On everything, y'all gonna love it. Yes, sir. And to end the night, once again, we at Doty's. This shit be slapping. Out on the natural. I had such a good day. It's like a runner. One of y'all about to really come up in real life. I'm telling you.